Hello everyone, pleasure to meet you. I'm Kai Gomez, founder of Swarms. Swarms is the first ever enterprise-grade multi-agent orchestration framework. Today I would like to show you a demo on how to leverage the new model from Moonshot AI, which is Kimi K2 within the Swarms framework. So Kimi K2 is a new model that is extremely intelligent. It also has a lot of agentic functionality, and it's just in general a really good model. So yeah, we're going to show you how to use the new Kimi K2 model, and also especially we're also going to be leveraging GROQ, the inference provider, to accelerate the inference process, because it is the inference process is quite time consuming. So once you open up your IDE, you basically get started by pip install -U swarms. You pip install upgrade swarms, and then you get your GROQ API key. So you go to your console.groq, and then you'll get your API keys here. Once you have your API keys, you put them in the .env, and then we could run it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So in terms of code, we import from Swarms import agents. We give the agent a name. We give it a description, a model name. This is the model name for GROQ. So you do GROQ /Moonshot AI /Kimi K2 instruct. And then there's some other parameters here, like streaming, so you could see it stream. You can make it interactive, or you could just have kind of like, if you make it interactive, you'll be able to type, but you do need to set the max loops higher for that. So yeah, we could give it a task, say like, what are the best multi-agents research papers from 2024 onwards, and then we could run this, and you'll see how fast it is. It's pretty fast. Yeah, let me just run it again so you can see. Yeah, so you see these are some papers. I know this paper as well. I think this paper, Voyager, is pretty popular. Voyager was an agent for Minecraft. And yeah, you could also do a lot of other things. Kimi K2 is very specialized for papers, but you could also do like, let's say, what are the best arbitrage trading strategies for altcoins. You could also say, give me research papers. Yeah, so you could just run it like this, and then all you have to do to run it is you just do .run. What are the best arbitrage trading strategies? You put your task in there, and that's pretty much it. And then now you can start integrating this agents into your multi-agent structures, and you can see some of my other videos for that as well. In general, though, I think Kimi K2's extremely intelligent model. I think it's really good, especially if you pair it with GROQ. If you pair it with GROQ, it's incredibly well, and it's very fast. The normal version, though, will be much slower, significantly slower. So I'd recommend keeping that in mind. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the Swarms GitHub. If you find any issues, please submit an issue, or if you'd like to contribute a new feature, please contribute. Swarms is a open source project, and we call on the community to contribute in any way possible. So yeah. Thank you for watching this. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.